Hello, children. Welcome to the GK class. Today, this is the last chapter of your quarterly course I'm giving you. Okay, total 10 chapters, and this is the 10th chapter musical mixed bag related to arts and entertainment on page number 40. So, let's begin the chapter, children. Here, fill in the blanks, choose your answer from the help box. Okay, but do learn the answers without the help box also. Number one, women ballet dancers are called ballerinas. Okay, the girls, ladies, you can see the women doing the ballet dance over here. These are called ballerinas. Ballet dance is very famous in Italy, children. Number two, a Banraku puppet from Japan can make many movements and requires 3 puppeteers. Now, puppet, as we have studied, it's an object which is made similar to human beings or animals or other things, okay, and it is played with strings or hand puppets or glove puppets on the stage. Okay, so Japanese have a special kind of puppet called Banraku puppet, very big puppet made up of wooden and heavy dresses are there, and 3 puppeteers. As you can see this with the black also, one here and one here with the black mask and all. 2 puppeteers are standing here, and this is the third one. So it's such a big puppet. No, it needs 3 puppeteers to manage this and make this puppet move and do many movements on the stage and depict a story on the stage. Right. So now, number 3, children. Rio de Janeiro Carnival in Brazil involves 5 days of festivity and fun. Okay, as we have studied, carnival is what, children? It's a public celebration with people do colorful parades and they have floats and all right. So here is a picture of Rio de Janeiro, which is a famous carnival in Brazil. Okay, so here you can see the people are walking here and doing parades and beautiful floats are made here, right? Okay. Moving ahead, children, number 4, No and Kabuki are kinds of drama from Japan. You can see the picture of No and Kabuki. These are the 2 old dramas in Japan, children, nearly 14th century No drama, and this Kabuki 16th century onwards it started, children. Okay, so both this first one, they wear mask like this. No mask are there with they perform dance dramas and usually related to Buddhist themes. Right, and here this kabuki is for a general theatre or a play with music and dances, which was performed with elaborate and huge, elegant dresses, and faces painted. They are not wearing masks; their face is painted. Okay, so this is also a dance drama of very famous drama from Japan. Number 5, ringmaster is. Is a person in charge of traditional circus. Okay, so here I'll show you a picture of a ringmaster, children. Okay, so here he looks something like this, usually a hunter in the hand, and he's in charge of the circus. He's also introducing all the circus acts to the audience, and he also gives the performance also. So he's the controller of the circus, in charge of the circus. Now, soap operas. Soap operas are the popular television shows about everyday life. Okay, children, you must be seeing the television serials, no, which comes every day throughout the week on the television. Okay, depicting the regular everyday life stories related to our everyday life, general public. Okay, so these are soap operas. You must be. I'll just give you the name and you will understand what is soap opera. Like Sasural Simarka. Okay, then Nagin. Here, so many are there. I'm just giving you some examples here. Balika Vadu, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. All these are children's soap operas, right? Now, moving ahead, a dance, role, or music piece performed by one person is known as solo. So, a single person performing on the stage, maybe a dance, maybe a mono acting, maybe a music. So, that performance is solo performance. Number 8, symphony is a piece of music written for an orchestra. So symphony, first of all, what is an orchestra? Orchestra is a group of musicians with a variety of instruments just sitting and playing music. Okay, and in front of every musician you can see some piece of writing is there on the board here. That is the piece of music written in front of in front of them, which they follow while playing the music, and this is called symphony, which you can see in front of most of the musicians. Then Number 9, a karaoke machine plays songs without the voice of the singers so that people can sing along with the music. I'll show you the picture of karaoke. Yes, here's the karaoke machine where you can play the music and a mic is there, and with the music played you can give your own voice to the music. Right? Moving ahead, children, a choir is a group of people who sing together. So a group of people singing together like a band, that is called choir. Okay, these people are called choir because they are singing together. You are also singing in the school. So group singing is called choir. Yes. Then moving ahead, children, in 1950s, many cafes and shops had a machine known as jukebox that played music. So there was a jukebox during 1950s when all didn't have the music system at their places. So cafeterias or cafe shops, they are having jukebox where you have to put a coin in the slot and then you have to choose the music and it will play it for you. So I have collected a picture for you from 1950s. It's a picture of a jukebox where you have to put a coin. You can see the slots are given here from where you have to put a coin and select a music and it will play for you. Okay, that is a jukebox. Now children, lastly, discover question. What is the role of a prompter in a play? So prompter is a person who prompts or cues actors on stage when they forget their lines. So prompts and cues means to give a hint to the actors when they are performing and they forget something on the stage. You must have seen the prompters on the side stage, on the back stage with the dialogues in their hands, and if they forget, they just prompt them in a soft voice to them. Sometimes the prompters are under the stage also, and they give you the place where to stand, or if you forget the lines and they prompt you, and they are not visible to the audience. Okay, but they are there to hint the actors who are on the stage. So this way, children, we have completed a quarterly course of GK. So do learn all the chapters and see the videos if you have left any. Okay, and prepare. All right, thank you.